they have got so many phobias. అదే ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఫోబియాస్ అంటుంటారు. ఫోబియా అంటే ఏంటండి? భయాలు అన్నమాట. ఇంటర్వ్యూ భయాలు అనేటి, ఎందుకంటే ఐ హావ్ ఆల్సో ఫేస్డ్ ఇట్. ఫస్ట్ బిఫోర్ we take up the interviews, and we have the candidates, actually Sushila garu and then Srinivas and Harshit. They have the candidate, they gave their names also. Before we go for personal interviews, mock interviews, I just want to explain you how the interviews will be. Don't get any sort of a so many ఎందుకనంటే so many people, they have lot of doubts, lot of clarifications, lot of ఇన్హిబిషన్స్, హెజిటేషన్స్. అరే ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళాలి వద్ద. ఇప్పుడు కూడా కొంతమంది పేర్లు ఇచ్చారు, దే హావ్ నాట్ కమ్ ఆన్ లైన్. ఐ థింక్ దే మే బి జాయినింగ్ అస్. ఎందుకంటే ఇంకొంతమంది దే మే బి హ్యావింగ్ సర్టన్ ఫియర్ ఆల్సో. సార్ వీళ్ళు ఏమడుగుతారో అందరూ ఉంటారని. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ that thing. Everybody is some other, one day or other, if you are going for interviews, we have to open up. Avuna kadandi? And it is everybody, because here all of us are learners. నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం అనమాట. నేర్చుకోవడం అంటే అవునా కదా, అట్ ఎనీ ఏజ్. కాబట్టి వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ అట్, వీఆర్ ఓన్లీ ఎ సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గ్రూప్ అమాంగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్. అందరము కలిసి మనము నేర్చుకుందాం అంతే. ఇంకొకటి ఏమంటున్నానంటే, నేను ఇది కండక్ట్ చేసేది ఎందుకు కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఇందులో ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి. చాలా మందికి ఏమేంటంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళేక ముందు there is a candidate now, ఆమె అదే ఫోన్ చేసి, యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఎప్పుడైతే, because when I wanted to conduct the mock interviews, I was thinking of that. Immediately the candidate called me up, sir, I am getting so many interview calls, but I am hesitant whether should I go for interviews, what they will ask. I am afraid, I got fear. That is the reason I say that yes, we have to now take up this issue. Everybody has got it is not only with her. So many people, they have interview phobias and antaru. వీటిని ఏమంటారు? భయాలు. ఏం లేదండి ఇంటర్వ్యూ. I say one thing is that what is an interview? Two people are coming. One is a employer or an interviewer, other is a candidate. What the employer wants. See, I am interviewing a candidate for my job. Yes or no? I am interviewing a candidate for my job. What is my job? Accountant job. When he is asking for an accountant job, what does he need? Whether he knows accounting side, certain principles, very basic things. You see, interviewer also, you want to study. I mean, he will go home. I want to interview the candidate. I want to make a study. What should I ask? How to question him? No, he will not, because it is a simple casual interview. Yes or no? They want to see that how comfortable is the candidate. Tomorrow, if the candidate is working with me, whether this candidate, he will be free with me or not. Employer has to get the work. So he's like a friend. Employer says, I am your friend, like, because when the employee gets a sort of a familiarity or a friendship with the employer, boss, he calls us, yes, boss, what should I do? Always employer wants a lovely person or a sort of a jovial person. So many companies I have seen, the security, the employers are, it is a seniors, they will be very jovial with their assistants or subordinates or their co-staff, because those people are employers or seniors, they have to get the work done. That's the reason any interview I'm telling you, they will be very, very comfortable, make you comfortable. They will ask, they are many of the interviews you see, they are smiling. They will not, and they will be smiling, make the employee also more, comfortable. The candidate, the candidate, they make him as a comfortable. If the candidate says, they want to see that is the candidate, this reaction part of it. And one thing, many of the employers, they will see the candidate whether he is able to communicate. I asked this question, whether he is able to communicate, whether he is a sharp, smartness in answering. Okay, that is the, you see, one thing I'm telling you, when we are, because the problem has come now about your college education. So far, you have seen your college education, you have just looked only because you're not looked for an interview. At that time is only because I want to go for I want to get the degree, I want to study. When either I put the answers or this correctly or not. So now I want is only that answers I put it or not correctly. Then do I get the marks? Do I get the first class? But the thing is that one point you are all missing when you are learning it is not only exam point of view, have you understood the subject? So many people, you see, when and we are asking for a bookkeeping, when we are asking for account, simple questions. So interviewer wanted to, he will ask you like, simple things, whether he has studied, he has got just a passion for that, and he's able to answer. They won't, so, and there will be interesting questions. He won't ask you, he say that, you tell me, I am manufacturing TVs. I am manufacturing TVs. I am manufacturing, or you say that I am a seller of TVs. He will only ask you TV. If we are in a dealing in a TV, he will say that closing stock. Which item will come? TV. He will just ask you certain things, very, very simple things, and he won't make you, is not a confusion, is not the main thing. Is only the thing is, suppose he may also ask you, he said that you will be always talking about this current assets and all. He will ask you, cash is a which asset? Or a loan? Or this thing? And he may also, that is the reason we say that when we are doing the work, because now you are all lucky, you are doing your practical accounting, mean to say we are understanding everything in a practical way. That's a reason here you don't do the work until unless you have understood all the items, understood the subject properly while doing the cash book, what I'm doing, what is a head of account. And I have also given you exercises like a heads of accounts, meant to say, if you go to a home accounts, if you maintain for a home, what are the heads of account? Vegetable account, I told you. Kirana account, I told you. Like if you go to hotel, so like that, you have to visualize, you have to imagine. He said that if I go to this construction company, what are, so like that, once I gave you idea, your mind always be like a sort of a creative. If you go for a software company, so like that, and if you are understanding subject only, then you can also enjoy the subject. So interviewer is basically, he wants to see that is the practically, if you have understood the course, understood the subject practically, he will also put to you that is a coincide with the items with your practical knowledge, like it. Okay, that's a region, very, very. And also I think Supraja, she's here. Supraja garu, one Supraja, if we can unmute it.
Oh,
Yeah.
sir. Good morning,
Uh,
sir.
Morning, morning. How are you? Supraja, you are
Okay.
the, same Supraja attended for interview?
ఫస్ట్ టైం అది ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది సార్. ఎందుకో సెకండ్ టైం మళ్ళీ వేరే నేమ్‌తో ఇది చేస్తే ఆన్సర్స్ ఇది
No,
రాలేదు
no,
సార్.
okay, no, because I'm talking other. No, what I'm trying to say that there was a lady, our student, and she was interviewed for American process company. And she was saying that they have asked me, sir, how was the interview, madam, meant to say. So he called me in the morning, sir, and they interviewed me early in the morning. It was he asked me so many questions, mathematics and other. I was feeling embarrassed, sir, and it was difficult like. Then I asked that person who interviewed for the company man, because he is our he's a known name because our IPA is associated with all. I asked him, sir, how was the interview? Then he said, Prakash, I have not put any sort of a big questions. You see what he has said, always as a smartness, sir. You tell me, all of you, what he said that, sir, I was asking her, I was not asking her any mathematical equations. You tell me, 200 into 200 is how much? Chapandi, you tell me. Hello, 200 into 200 is how much?
40,000.
40,000. Yes, sir. Hello, all of you. So many people. So what I meant to say that immediately 2 into 2 is a 4. How many zeros are there? You take it. So mean to say that it is a faster calculation. They wanted to ask. These are all the practical things like it. You don't have to take the pen or a paper and then write it. It is also called as a speed mathematics. Yes or no? They are also asking you. He said that what is a tangible asset? Somebody can answer me?
Machineries.
Goodwill.
Which is a who said goodwill?
My name is Supraja sir. Goodwill.
Hello. You see what he said? Plant and machinery. What is a plant and machinery? Plant and machinery. I can go and touch it. Pen. I got a pen. I can touch it. I can see. But goodwill, madam. Where can I go and take it and enjoy it as see it?
No, ma'am. No, sir.
That's called as a intangible.
Yes, sir.
These are all the things. So that's the reason. If we are in a balance sheet, if we are seeing all the items, how to see the furniture, fixed assets, what are the items are coming? You should always think about what are the. So when you are learning the subject, don't look into fixed asset to say only furniture and pictures or a plant and machinery, or what are the more items? Suppose if this item is there, when either it will come into furniture and fixtures or not, how to see that. Suppose a fixed asset, if the computers are there, computer machinery is there, when either it comes under fixed assets or not. Like you talk about a new items, you see, when either it comes. So suppose I am talking to you, it is a pen. Hello, pen. Pen will come under these fixed assets. You tell me. Have to think about it. Pen is a writing item because once I put this item, this is a writing for a month or something, it will, and otherwise. So it is called as a expenditure. It comes under printing and stationery. Printing and stationery is what? It is an expenditure. What is an asset? Fixed asset meant to say? It is an asset. Asset meant to say what? Whose life is more than 1 year, which I have given you in my videos about your finalization and all. That's the reason once we gave that idea, how to go on, why this pen won't come under pen is, I said, it is a tangible asset. I am able to see, I am able to write. But it comes in a where? Printing and stationery. It is a why. It is not a permanent item. It may be, isn't it? It is a whose life will last is only 2-3 months or something. We call it. So like that, they wanted to ask you. Okay. Nobody is so that's a reason we have to learn the subject in that way. And I'm asking you, all of you, gentlemen and madam, all of you, how many, so now you can open up your mics and answer me. How many of you have appeared for job aptitude online test? Job aptitude online test, how many of you have appeared?
Sir, I'm Sushila.
Okay,
Hello. I have
Chappan.
appeared it, sir. I
Okay.
have appeared the test, but the thing is I did not qualify it. That is the main thing actually.
Okay,
And
okay. Ah.
and it was said that it will the result will be sent to the email ID, but I did not receive it only.
No, but in the screen automatically it comes also.
Yeah, it came, but I did not take
No,
any
whatever.
screenshot
No,
because
but have you seen the marks on the screen?
yeah. I was not
So that
qualified.
is what I'm telling you. Okay, fine
Hmm.
about it, about that mail ID. Or some, what I'm
Hmm.
trying to say, why we have conducted that is an objective type. Those are very, very important. Job, because in the
Okay.
interviews also they put you small questions. So like that is a job aptitude when you are appearing for that. Those questions are based on your knowledge. Am I correct? That's a reason
Yes, sir. Yes,
you are
sir.
not a qualified mean to say now our skills part of it I have to improve. All of you, I'm just because this job aptitude test you appear after 2 weeks, you try to where you made a mistake, where
So
you
much I
have
have
certain
improved,
shortfalls,
sir. Yes.
where you have the shortfalls. So that's a reason. So then it is how you improve it, because it is a software specially made by us. We spend so much of amount on that, and then for you our information and for you our practice only. That's the reason.
Okay, sir.
So and one thing is that it is a one level test for your kind information. If we are after half an hour, this is half an hour preliminary test. After that, if you once pass and you have a second level exam also, that will be for 1 hour 45 minutes. Mean to, because they given the, so that's arithmetical accuracy, business English. You try to, so the questions, so that is giving you a sort of idea for you how to appear, how to prepare. You have to know now how to prepare, how to develop my knowledge array. And those lines you have to prepare. Job aptitude test is approved by so many professors also. That's a reason, all of you. And it is a simple examination. It is not having any high level. Okay. So I wish all of you, please, after 2 weeks again but in the meantime, you prepare where you made a mistake. And also I'm telling you, like your speed mathematics are, like 200 is to 200 is the, somebody, because when I went for one interview in my 80s, somebody, he said that when I was asking, he just asked me, how much is 250 into 11? Sir, okay, 25 into 11. I was thinking out as thing, no, you are failed. Why? 250 into 11 meant to say immediately in the mind I have to come 250 into 10. Sorry, 25 into 10. It is a 250. So in the mind has to come, okay, 10 plus add 25 rupees. How much will come? 275. It has to think it. So accountant meant to say you need to have that. So they wanted to have that smartness, how your brain works. It's only simple. And also for the accounting part of it, as I told you, like what is a capital, what is a reserve surplus, what are the items, what is a, I gave you so many, because if you have seen my this videos part of it, whatever, so many persons are just doing the work, completing, but I have been saying that when they are making a mistake, he said that they have been asking for the, sir, I am not getting the answer. You give me the solution paper. I have been telling them, no, I don't, because I want you to learn like, but this is all happening it, but what to do? And you people have to, it is a practical, I've been saying it to you, why child balance has not tallied. You have to find out, because that is the reason. You see that what is the and what are the items in the trial balance. You please, because as a practical man, doing the work, it is better than your college work, doing the work, and again, think on those lines, look into practically why this item is coming here. When you are putting this trial balance items in P&L account and balance sheet, what are the items, why this item is coming in balance sheet, why this item is coming in P&L account, isn't it? It is a simple, it's only the thing, we say that passion, isn't it? You have to enjoy the subject. Then in the interviews part of it also, once you are thorough with this thing, you will enjoy the interviews also. Okay, all of you. So now, don't worry. We are also planning to conduct in a, once you join the course, once in a 10 days or twice in a month, we also conduct internal examinations. It has now come to a very, very important, because we don't want to leave our, so many jobs are there, because there were some company secretary, chartered accountant companies, they were all asking, but they say that, and also I'm also feeling bad. Our people, when they are going for an interview, they know the subject, but they're not answering properly because of the fear, because of the, they're feeling shy. That's the reason what I'm trying to say. Prepare in a practical way, look into the, try to understand the things. Don't blindly put the items. You forget about your BCom. I have done my BCom. BCom, you have done, you got the answers, keep it. But here you are doing it practically. You say that, why should I now trial balance is tallying? You have tallied. Why it is tallying? Put your mind on that. Study. That's all. Okay. Taxation also is all in a simple way. Nobody is going to ask you in high level questions. Followed it. That's the reason. Okay. Now, we try to, we are, we start with the candidates interview. Okay. Now, we have got the, who are all ready to come for an interview. I got the names. One is Sushila from Bangalore. Madam, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
online.
good. Because your communication is good, is only the thing you have got only a mind blank is like that, but otherwise you have got all the, your communication, voice and all very good. I don't see any sort of drawback in you. Okay, I am there to answer this. Okay, please be.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm in an interview, please. Next is that Chandrika. Hello.
Sir, I am here.
Very good, Amma. Yeah. Okay. And Srinivas Nilla.
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
here,
Very
sir.
good. Because I'm going by. And next is Siva. Next is Kishore. Okay. So now, first we'll take up Sushila part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam. You will be okay. Now, I'm taking your by data. I'm taking up your by data, and then we'll go
Oh.
for it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, madam. Sushila,
Yes,
your
Yes, sir.
full name is
Sushila Sannamanda.
Sannamanda. Okay. You were from Bangalore, isn't it? And what are your
Yeah, right.
yeah, you have done your
Right.
BCom,
Yes, sir.
MBA, and then
Yes, sir.
BCom. Oh my God, very good. Acharya Nagarjuna University, you got BCom 75%, 73%. Very, I mean,
Yes.
you have achievement is very good, and then is only 2 marks meant to say you got you would have got distinction. Am I correct? Okay,
Yes,
nice
sir. Yes,
that.
sir.
And also MBA, University of Madras, MBA Finance.
Yes,
MBA
sir.
Finance, 60%. Very good.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. MBA, and have you done it? This University of Madras in a, it is in a
Dis-
distance education or a college?
Distance education, sir. Distance education.
Okay, okay. It is for 2 years course. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
And okay. And what I'm trying to ask you, have you worked or it is your this you are a fresher? Am I correct?
No, I'm not a fresher. I have work experience. But
Okay,
the thing is, in account side, I don't have any experience. But
okay,
work experience, I have. I worked as a teacher, and
okay.
right now I am working as a relationship manager. But
Relationship manager. Okay, for a
yeah, for a Magic Bricks company.
okay, okay, okay. Understand,
Yeah,
understand that.
yeah.
Okay, okay. You see, when you are a, just I wanted to ask you when you were a manager MBA finance and then become, why did you go for this public relations officer in Magic Bricks? Why didn't you go for your account side?
Yeah, sir. Actually, previously I was having an teaching experience,
Okay,
and I was actually looking for a job in account side. But the thing
okay,
is, I was exactly scared that in practical ways, how can I manage in the companies? Looking at those big buildings itself, I got scared in Bangalore when I came to the Bangalore. Oh my God! If
okay,
I go into it, what work they will give? What will I be able to compete with them? Those fears I had. So with
okay,
that fear, I can't sit. So I was searching for a job for survival. I need something, right? So I was for the surviving sake. I got a job in magicbricks.com, but still I have no satisfaction, sir. So I want to work as an accountant. That is my actually this thing. That is my qualifications, everything. But the
okay,
teaching experience why I had is because of what to say. I was a nun actually, sir. I worked in a schools.
okay.
So I have to come out when my father's death was there. I have to take care of my family. So that is the reason my teaching experience is there. Now, after coming out, the world is so big where I have to learn many things. So then I was tracing out where I can join for the learning like that. Then I saw your ad. So it is the right course. Let me join and let me learn. So that is the reason I joined your course, so that I will have little confidence where I can compete in the world and I can learn, I can have a future, a better future. That is the reason, sir, actually.
Very good, very good. I'm so happy that you have got your exposure. Actually, you have studied commerce part of it, MBA finance, but a good qualification. Is only the thing is that career line. It is a high time now. You have to look into accounts only because you got a good communication skills. First of all, and
Yes,
also the
yes, sir.
background BCom and MBA is a very good background, and marks
Yes, sir.
academically you have a bright. I mean, like a bright. You were this record part of it. I say, you
Yes,
see,
sir.
is only the thing is that which abstracted you, it is your mind, whatever is there, interview phobias or whatever. I think that is not it. So now you have to face it, the interview. You see what happens? You have to go for
Yes,
an interview because you have already got a job. Yes or no?
yes,
So
sir.
the thing
Yes,
is that
sir.
you have to now just have to face the interview, isn't it? They will be
Yes,
happy
sir.
because I am saying it, you will not have any sort of a problem, isn't it? Actually,
Okay,
now,
sir. Okay,
one
sir.
thing I'm asking you now,
Yes,
since
sir.
you have done the practical accounting course, become so much of percentage, I'm very pleased with it, your, the skills and all. I want to ask
Yes,
you in this
yes, sir.
subject wise,
Yes, sir.
so can I ask you one thing?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Please,
Uh,
please,
yeah,
please.
yeah. Assets, all of you also please uh, concentrate what I am asking the questions, please. Assets that can be converted into cash within short period, that means say within 1 year. Okay, they are called as number 1, non-current assets. Number 2, current assets. Number 3, intangible assets. Number 4, fixed assets. Yes, madam, you can answer me.
Non-current assets, current assets, fixed assets, and then
Intangible assets.
among this, I have to select an option, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yeah. Simple chat. Yeah, tell me.
Assets that can be converted to short period. Non-current assets.
Okay, because I will answer you after that.
Yes.
Next one,
Yes, sir.
outstanding salary. Outstanding salary is a current liability, is a revenue, non-current liability, next current asset. In this, which is correct? Outstanding liability. Current
Outstanding
liability,
salary.
outstanding salary.
Current liability, sir.
Okay, good. And one thing I want to, one more question I want to ask you.
Yes, sir.
What is intangible asset? I want to, intangible
Yeah.
asset.
Intangible assets that are cannot be touched or felt.
Like example,
Like, for example, a goodwill.
okay.
Tangible assets can be touched, like, the assets
Okay,
that can
you
be
have
seen.
you have mentioned as a intangible assets, fine. But the thing is,
Yeah.
where do they come in the balance sheet? Which group? Where? Which side? You know the balance sheet. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Where
sir.
does it come? Which group it comes?
Intangible assets, sir.
Yeah. Goodwill. You are talking about goodwill. Yeah.
It comes in assets side only.
Okay. Which group? There are fixed assets. There are so many groups are there. So many groups meant say fixed assets, investments.
Okay, okay.
Yes
Like
or
that.
no?
sir.
So like that, which group it comes like?
Current assets.
Current assets contains what sort of assets? Intangible assets?
No, 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 no. Current assets like a cash.
Goodwill
or
is a
all
what? So that is what I want you to see, that goodwill means, so what is a goodwill? Cash I can touch, all that this thing. Is a goodwill is the, you do you convert into cash immediately or something like? It is only a, isn't it? So
Longer
when
period.
they come,
Longer period.
wait, okay? See, one thing I'm telling
Yeah.
you, okay, fine.
Mm.
You have mentioned about that. I want to ask you, all of you, so now all of you, madam, you are over this video is open. If you can open it, I think it'll be good.
Mine, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now what I'm trying to, I think then, so what I'm trying to say that the first question, assets that can be converted into cash within a short period of time, those are called
Current
as current assets.
Current assets. Yes.
You made it as a, okay.
Non.
That is what. So what I am trying to say, please go to my videos. I told you in the finalization part of it, if you are putting the assets, I have been clearly explaining that. So now you are also understanding that you are not able to differentiate what is a current liability, what is a current asset, what are the non. So that's the reason you have to now pay importance and learn the subject in a properly. That will help you for the interviews. Am I correct? You will become, because you have done 80% is correct. I was looking into your classwork also was good. You were fast in doing the work. So now it is the time you have to look into all this terminology. Yes or no?
Okay.
I want to ask you,
Yes.
so please I want to ask you one more thing.
Yes, sir.
What is called as direct taxes? Direct taxes.
Direct taxes.
Yeah. Which is called as a direct tax? Why it is called as a direct tax? Direct tax. Direct tax and indirect taxes are there, which I have also please explain, because I gave, I think, 4 videos on you were that GST and all. If you can, in the income tax also, I have already explained to you. You people are not mean to say that you are not. I have been saying that watch the video 3-4 times, or don't start the topic or a work until unless you go through the video. You see, one thing is that I want to ask you, others also, please. What is a direct tax? Other students, they can answer me.
Medical and health, sir.
What, sir, I'm asking you direct tax. What is a direct tax?
Income tax is a direct
Salaries,
tax, sir.
Income tax is a direct tax. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Somebody was saying salary. What is that? మిమ్మల్ని salary ఏంటంటున్నారండి? Tax అంటున్నాం. So here income tax, we have, what are the taxes? Income tax, yes or no?
Wealth tax.
Income tax, GST, wealth tax. So income tax is called as a direct tax. Why? It is directly paid to the government. GST, I'm not paying directly to government. I'm paying I go to a shop, I buy the item, on that I'm paying the GST. But income tax, I'm good. I'm directly paying to government. It is called as a direct tax. So I'm just in this mock interview. Sushila, I mean,
Yes.
so you have got the skills, everything, you've got your communication skills, and academics are bright, academic career, everything is there. Is only the thing is that you have not focused on certain things, practical. So kindly watch the videos, and also your job aptitude examination, we gave this sort of questions only. That's the reason we want you to prepare in that angle, learn the subject in a practical way. Don't learn it is only like a theoretical or something STEM, that BCom level or a degree level for a just answering, forget about it. You have to look into the practically understanding the things. Okay, that will definitely help you. I am very happy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I wish
Yes,
you
sir.
all
Yes,
the
sir.
best. And your
Thank you,
biodata
sir.
also, I've seen it is also quite, it is structured well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If there are any simple things, we'll take up afterwards. Acha, next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Next candidate.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nama. All the best. Next
Thank you,
candidate. Yeah. Chandrika Garu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Good morning, sir.
open up your morning. Open up your video, madam, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Actually, in the screen, it has to be split into 2. How it's not. So, please,
Yes.
madam. Okay. So now we are talking. Okay. Now, see, madam, your biodata, I'm just taking out your biodata. Hmm. Chandrika Garu, yeah. Madam, I've seen your resume. Just one thing I wanted to. He MBA Finance and HR. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
You have got MBA Finance and HR, and it is in Adikavi Narayana University. Year of passing
Adikavi Nannaya
2020.
University, sir.
Yeah, and completed waiting for the result. And BCom 65% from Krishna University, degree BCom and this thing. You have also got a good combination actually, BCom and MBA and MBA Finance and HR, both the modules, both the specializations, very good. And also I have qualified common proficiency CPT in CA. Very good, very good. How much you scored? Is only, yeah, it's 50. So now are you going for your chartered accountancy articleship or something?
And sir, I am not qualified in CA IPCC.
Okay,
Okay, that's why I chose an MBA Finance and HR.
okay. Wait, you're okay. So now you wanted to go, and have you attended for any completed information technology training? What does it mean? What is information technology training?
In CA IPCC, if the students are completed or passed CPT, they are
Okay.
going to take training on by ICA. They
Okay.
conducted IPCC students. When they are in training, CA IPCC students,
Information
they
tech,
can
I
have
know,
this
because
training.
I can understand. Information technology training, they give it on a computer about how
Yes,
to
sir. They
operate
will give on
internet
computer.
okay,
Yes.
okay, good.
Orientation training is a group discussion training.
Orientation, but it is
Orientation
not
training.
like they give you practical classes on the computer or something.
No, sir. Practical only. Live classes only.
Live
Like
classes
we
for how
have to
many?
go to ICA branch.
ICA
Then
branch, okay. But
then there
ICA
is
branch
a,
is not there in your Andhra side, is only in
yes,
Hyderabad,
sir,
I
in
think they
Vijayawada
got.
it is there.
Acha, Vijayawada there, huh? Okay.
Yes.
How many days program?
That is a 1 month program.
Okay, daily
For
how many hours?
orientation, there is 1 month program, 1 month training. For information technology also 1 month. Totally 2 months we have to take the training.
And one thing you just mentioned, because I wanted to advise you, completed
Okay.
information technology training here, but in that you also elaborate what are the subjects or core area you were trained. So the companies will be interested to know. Information
Okay, sir.
technology, means so many branches are
Yes.
there, so many divisions are there. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. You are
Isn't
correct.
it? So kindly, I mean, like a completed information technology comprising the following.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay, sir.
comprising the following, so that it is employers, they will be happy to know that you have the skills. Okay, that part of it.
Okay, sir.
I'm so happy you have got it. And also you have done your project of analysis of operation cycle with Dr. Reddy's Labs. What is the analysis of operation cycle?
Analysis of it is a manufacturing company, pharmaceutical company. They will produce drugs like
Okay.
which is used in
I know.
medicines.
Yeah.
Okay. Operation cycle means first now we have to take the raw material. That
Okay.
is a cycle process which entirely go on cycle, and end result is we have to final product will come arise on that.
How many
Okay.
days it will come and what are the stages?
Okay,
Am I
there are
correct?
3 stages in that.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
first is raw material. Next is work in progress. In that also so many types of particular process is there. Only 3 stages we have mentioned in that: raw material, work in progress, and lastly finished goods will come out of that.
I know, but you have done independently, or you have taken the help of somebody? I think somebody has to help you there.
Yes, sir. In college we did the project.
Okay. It is like, but the thing is that you didn't go to their factory or something. Is only the information they gave you.
Information they gave, sir.
Okay, okay. And also you got a recruiting process. You have also done, and in your HR, recruiting process. What is that recruiting process meant to say? You have, what sort of the areas in that, and what did you do?
Okay, recruiting process means which is
It is also
done by the.
project work. Yeah.
Yes, sir. But
Okay.
it is a mini project which is handled by the only college, which is not from outside. Okay, they will take some topics and they will give. Only
Okay.
mentioning in the paper only, it's enough. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. What is, you have also attended a certified IFRS and soft skill courses by TCS, okay, and also certified financial. And what is IFRS, madam?
International Financial Standards Reporting, sir.
No, no. International Financial Reporting Standards, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, sir.
very good. You have, and skills part of it, you are not all the windows and everything. Very good, very good. And okay, so now you are from which place in Andhra Pradesh?
In Vijayawada, sir. From Vijayawada.
Vijayawada. So now we have
Yes.
got a good, I think, industrially also developed and business wise also is developed. And have you got any experience? Have you attended interviews?
Yes, sir. I attended an interview that is in ICICI Bank as
Okay,
a relationship manager.
okay,
Okay, I have 1 year experience on that.
okay,
Okay, due to COVID situations, I have to resign that job.
okay.
I am not satisfied in that job also. It
Yeah,
is
yeah.
like a executive type. I want to build my career in accountant side.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why
You see,
I've
yeah,
taken
yeah.
coaching.
I am also, because after seeing your biodata, I am quite convinced that you have to choose only the accounts and finance career. You have also gone into that relationship manager. It is not appropriate job for you. You have all,
Yes, sir.
okay, whatever are there. You should have asked in ICSA Bank. They have got so many other processes also in accounting. Definitely they will give you also. That's the reason you can also try for, you may be, you are looking for you look for the interviews, or you can definitely, you got a more advantage. Your skills are good. Definitely you can go for in accounts and finance. Can I ask you certain few questions on accountancy, and have you applied for our job aptitude examination?
Yes, sir. I appeared for job
Where did
aptitude
you, I
test.
mean, okay, which area you got marks less?
In English area, I got less marks, sir.
English part of it is quite good for you. I don't know. Okay, okay. Arithmetical accuracy, arithmetics,
Yes, sir. That is
analytical ability and other. Okay, so now you can try for that. And one thing what I want to ask you, now you are like a senior person with a good background.
yes, sir.
What is the
Thank you.
balance sheet? Is a statement or an account?
Balance sheet is an account, sir.
Why
Profit
it
and
is
loss
called
account
as account? Balance sheet, I'm asking you.
okay.
Balance sheet is an account. What is an what is account?
What is an account means where debit and credit are tallied and equal. That is an account. If it for example we take cash account, in that we have to we'll take as a debits in that period and credits on that period, and we have to find out whether it is tallied or not.
Okay.
Otherwise we have to where the account is not tallied, we have to find out the errors on that. That is an account where debit
Okay.
and credit.
Okay. Profit and loss account is an account.
Profit and account is an statement, sir.
Profit and loss account is a statement. Why it
It
is
is an
called as a
income
statement?
It is an statement where only it's find out the net profit area. It is not tallied. Gross profit and net profit is find out. For that purpose, P&L account is prepared.
You are mentioning P&L account, and then you are saying that it is a statement. In the heading itself, you are saying that P&L account. Then you say that it is a statement. I'm not
Okay.
convinced on that. What is that?
Okay. I confess it, sir. P&L account
Okay.
is an account.
Yeah.
Account. Balance sheet is a statement. Okay.
Balance sheet is a statement. Why we
Yes, yes.
call that is a P&L account is a account? You tell me. Account contains what are the certain standard rules. Well, what is that?
Account contains standard rules. That is, I said that debit account is created for showing that what to equalize that debits and credits are.
Madam, one thing, okay? Because for the benefit of all the students here, I'm just mentioning it. Account mean to say it contains to and buy. As you said,
Oh.
debit and credits. Yes or no? Debit
Yes.
side, what we mentioned to. Credit
To
side, what we mentioned buy. In the
buy.
P&L account, you said 2 opening stock, 2 purchases, 2 printing and stationery. Am I correct? All those things
Yes.
are debit side. In the credit side, we say buy sales, buy closing stock, all these things. That is a this thing, it is an. But in case of the balance sheet, do we say 2 capital account, 2 reserves and supplies? Do we say that? No.
Okay.
So balance
sir.
sheet, so that's the reason balance sheet part of it is a called as a statement, is a information. It is no standard rule or something. I can give the information, put it in a proper way. That's all. Okay, it won't contain any to and by. It is called as. See, so now what I'm trying to say that you have got a good background knowledge. These are all the simple things you have to concentrate, please. You got it because I'm very quite convinced your body is your background is is only the thing. Please prepare, take care and initiate to see that these are all the small issues are a small matter. So that way you have to concentrate and learn the subject in a practical way. I think you have not watched my videos also fully. When you watch my videos, I gave all those points also. And also, all the students have been, I've sent you accounting terminology, bookkeeping, and I've sent you certain videos also. Last time I conducted on the interview questions. So please, always in a practical way, you imagine yourself and focus on the subject. These are all the simple, you know the subject, you have done the balance sheet and but pay care, attention, why this balance sheet, take out all the items. Why this P&L account? What are the items? What is the, so like that you need, it is called as an analysis. If you do that, so Chandrika Garu, you have got a very good, you see that, isn't it? These are all the things, because if you are going for an interview, the interviewer will be quite happy to see your biodata, but so out of the interest, he will ask you, put a small question where you become, isn't it become a sort of a nervous and then take it, no, be cool and then try to understand that you got everything is only the small mistakes are these things are, will have the problem. So that's the reason I want you to take care, understand the subject in a proper way and put it in a, okay? Hope you have understood that. Thank you, madam,
Okay.
because I'm so happy to have it, because these mock interviews, I'm also having, I've got a chance to guide my students in a, so you people have got a brilliant and the communication skills, brilliant academic record. I'm very, very happy. You people definitely just follow and you will get a very good opportunities. We also don't go far into, I say that both of you, Chandrika Garu and Sushila Garu, both of you choose your accounting line only. Don't take up the jobs into, in other areas. So this will definitely help you and you can make a career. You got a bright future. I wish you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Next, I think is now time is up. Is only 4 minutes are there. I think we will continue this interview session in the next Sunday also, and hope I request all our students, all online and offline students also. So now you have also got certain idea what sort of the questions interviewer they may ask you, what is your, how to structure your by data and what are the areas, how they also ask you. So prepare accordingly. You have got all of you have got because it is our, we are there too. And next level, I may also bring out the interviewer from outside. Like last time, Kalyani Garu, she's a good expert. So those professionals also will come and interview you. So that is the reason. When you face this sort of an interview, definitely your confidence levels will go up. Okay, jobs are there, many jobs are there. You see, I wanted to actually here also in American, I told you, the gentleman, he spoke to me, he said that he wanted 100 candidates. But he was also asking, I'm not asking any very tough questions, it's only the simple questions. They wanted a smart guy or who can be able to answer in a proper way, very simple things. So that's the reason there are the jobs are many. We should know the knack of breaking, these interviews. Very, very simple. As I told you, again, I'm telling you why I'm taking so much of an interview, this interest in this session. I have attended, I would have attended, and I'm talking about in 80s, I would have attended 100 interviews. It was my passion. I used to go for an interview, come back when they were asking you that, why this trial balance will tally. Immediately I come out, immediately after the interview, I come out, I said, why this trial balance has to tally? I used to think in those angle practically. Oh, suppose I brought you say that two are there. One is a debit, other is a credit. Why tally? So now I brought 10,000 rupees. Please, all of you, it's a very, 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 very important one. See now, 10,000 rupees I brought the cash for a capital. So now, as a double entry system, two aspects of a single transaction. I brought what? I brought the capital. That is, one is a capital account. Next is I brought what? Cash. Cash account and capital account. Yes or no? So now in the mind, I used to think that is a distinct is that, now debit and credit. Debit meant to say debit payments. Debit all expenses, debit payments are. Then he said that credit is a source. Credit means whatever the amount comes here, I spend it, they are shown in the debit side. So then I say that, okay, so credit means I'm bringing the cash, so that's a capital. Source it is I used to put it in the 10,000 will go into credit side. But now debit side is a 10,000, it has to come, but I have not spent. When you are not spent, it will stay as a 10,000 as a cash. So now 10,000 tally, 10,000 here, 10,000, both the sides are tally. Then in the same way, I put my own example. Oh, I have purchased for furniture and fixtures for 5,000. I paid cash. Oh, now furniture and fixtures, payment made for furniture, 5,000 in the debit side. Next is cash balance, 5,000, 10,000, 10,000 tally. Am I correct? I'm just, so like that, when they were going for a interviews, interviews will give you good experience. Okay, that's the reason I request all of you, don't have any, you see, this job will go, other job will come. That's all, don't have it. It is also, it is a sort of a game you play in that and then learn the skills. Okay, it is a simple. So many, because as I told you, when I went for an interview, he asked me out of my, I was quite active. Immediately wanted to know that I want to see. You tell me 25 into 11 immediately said. I was going to, then afterwards I came. Why he wanted to see that speed action. I should say it immediately. Mean to say in the mind it has to come 25 into 10 minutes, say it is a 250. Plus add one and more to 25. That's all. So you wanted that. Then it has given me a sort of a clue also. I practice so like that. Okay. So you should also enjoy the interviews. Don't have it, and then understand practical. Please follow the videos, and then also if you are a meeting with your senior people, or try to get with your seniors a certain doubt, you get them clarified, you read it until we get the job. Please focus on your, always is your mind has to work on this accounting terminology, accounting subject, or a taxation, all these things. Definitely it will help you. We have been conducting the meetings, isn't it? We have got a resource paper up to the Supreme Court level, all the chartered account, cost account, I think you cost accountants, company secretaries, and the business people, they're all there to help you. Don't worry. There's a reason jobs is only the thing is that as now you know where you are going wrong. So have to correct our mistakes and improve ourselves. Other candidates, we will continue this mock interview session in the next Sunday also. Okay. Hope we have covered it, and I wish you all the best. Everybody, good day. Good day. Thank you. Thank you, one and
Thank
all.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any more among the students now? Any of you can give a sort of a review on that? How did you feel?
Thank you, sir.
Please tell me.
So it was an eye-opening actually session it is,
Okay.
where
Okay.
we have to improve, where I have, especially in particular, I have to improve. So
Okay.
that is the main thing that I have learned today.
Very
And-
good, very good. Thanks a lot, Amma. Yeah, other part of
Yeah,
it,
sir.
please. Open up. You see, it is a sort of a platform or this thing. You have to be freely open. Take advantage of this, all of you. Yes.
Hello. This is the
Yes.
best start to learn more, sir.
Yeah. Who is this? May you what name?
Srinivas.
Very good, Srinivas. So that's all. Because first thing is that I have to open up. Have to always say, no, isn't it? Yes, yes. I want all of you also say one line, I am the happiest person. First thing in the life is to open up yourself, put your step forward. For that, what you have to say, you have to open up and talk something. Yes? Fast. Any more?
Good morning,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
I am Rajani.
Yes.
Mock interviews are a very best experience, sir. Maku.
Okay. Nice. Good. You will be having the interview this next Sunday also. So now I want you to, we have to have a practice. We will continue it so that it will definitely help you. I want
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Okay. Shall we close the session? Thank you, Vananda. Good day.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.